On this special day of celebration, we gather to honor our shared connection, remembering today and every day we truly are better together. What's that? Celebrations going wrong across the city. Someone attempting to ruin Zoogether Day? Nay! Man, we're still alive, right? I'm sure everything is fine. Have a happy Zoogether Day. Can somebody get the bunny in the box on this?
Thank you, Mayor Winddancer. Showtime! Alright, Levels, this is
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and support my channel. Bye-bye.